So delicious.
Easy and inexpensive. The perfect combination. Welcome to my kitchen, and together we're gonna make this delicious oven roasted chicken thighs. First things first, we need to preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and make sure you place a sheet pan in there. I'll explain what it is for later on. Now let's make the marinade. In a small bowl, add in 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ancho chile powder. If you don't have this one, you can use chili powder, but I really suggest you try it out. I actually leave you that link down in the description area in case you need it. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground onion powder, 1 teaspoon of ground garlic, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, do 1 1/4 teaspoons of kosher salt, some freshly ground black pepper to taste, and I'll be adding about half a teaspoon. Great. As far as the salt and pepper, you know you can always do that to your liking. Add a 1/4 cup of olive oil and whisk until well combined. I always get asked about this recipe because friends, family members love it, even Nelson here at home. Beautiful. I'm sorry, I just had to smell it. Set it aside. Nelson, can you do me the honors of bringing the chicken? And let me just get some gloves. Thank you so much. My assistant. All right, we're gonna prep 4 pounds of chicken thighs, and these are skin on and bone in. I bought 8 pieces.
That's plenty for 2 of us, but never too much.
I know, right? I love leftovers. Okay. Remove any excess skin and have a good pair of kitchen scissors. Now, just be careful not to remove too much. You don't want to take half of the skin off. And I guess you could consider this like relaxing time, getting those chicken thighs to look nice and pretty, trimmed. There's a lot of satisfaction into doing this. Just know that you can do this with a knife as well. Now, using a metal skewer, I'm gonna poke a few holes on top where the skin is. All right, this is not working as I expected it. I know I should have done a knife. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just do a few indentations, a few cuts, and just do the same thing with every single piece. Ah, this one's easier. That skin was just rough, I'm telling you. Oof. There's a first time for everything.
The first one probably went to the gym, that's why.
Did you just really say the gym? Oh my goodness. Pour the marinade into the chicken. Make sure that is well coated. Toss the thighs in there. This looks so good. As far as marinating, you can marinate it for about 2 hours or even overnight. But if you don't have the time, that's fine, because I'm actually only gonna let it sit out for 15 minutes. That way it comes up to room temperature and bakes evenly. The oven is up to temperature. We're good to go, and that sheet pan is really hot at this point. Now, before we take it out, have you liked this video yet? Right now is the time. I know you want to. All right, let's bring out that sheet pan. And remember, it is hot, so don't touch it at any point with your bare hands, of course. Spray it with some nonstick spray. And now lay the chicken skin side down. Hear that? That's what we're looking for, a nice sizzle. This is gonna give us a nice color and a crispy top. So now you know why the sheet pan needed to be hot. It's gonna give us a nice color on the skin without having to use a pot. You know, it's a one-step thing. We're not gonna dirty any more dishes. Okay, oven mitts on, back in the oven it goes. For now, let them bake in the center rack for 20 minutes. 20 minutes are up. Let's pull the sheet pan out. It's not done yet. Simply flip the chicken. As you can see, it is starting to get some color. And look at that. Back into the oven it goes. We're gonna let it cook completely until it reaches a safe internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's gonna take about 15 minutes. During that time, that skin is gonna crisp up. The chicken is done. I'm just gonna turn on the broiler. That way it browns the top. And I'll let it go for 3 minutes on high. Yes. All right. Now 3 minutes under the broiler for me was good, but just take it out as soon as you know that's what you want. Let the thighs rest for about 10 minutes and look at how crispy and juicy these are. We're ready to serve. Let's dig in. There you go. You ready?
Ah, man, it smells so good.
All right, let's do this. So juicy.
So delicious.
Easy and inexpensive. The perfect combination.
And again, the skin. Man.
Alrighty, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget that you can follow me on all of my social media platforms and also click the notification bell. And remember that you can find the full printable recipe on villacocina.com. Alright, until the next one.